Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Dr. Natasha Bridgmohan. Each week, we bring you practical insights on finance, real estate, and everything in between to help you make informed decisions for your future. It's all about changing your lives and building a great financial, strong pillar in your home. As the colder months approach, my folks, many of you as homeowners are thinking about how to prepare your property for winter ready while also keeping an eye on where the real estate market is headed. So today we're going to be talking to an expert and we're going to talk about your homeowner's checklist and market insights for the season ahead. Joining me, someone who knows the real estate market inside out, Ricky Nandalal from Home Life Realty. Thank you once again for joining us. Welcome, Ricky.
Thank you again, Dr. Bridgmohan, for having me.
So excited. This is the Realtor of the Year. This is my colleague, Ricky Nandalal. Let's start with the basics, Ricky. When homeowners think about fall and early winter, there's often so many things to do. So from your experience working closely with top clients all over the GTA right now to protect their property and maintain its value, what would you recommend in 2025, sir?
So for homeowners heading into the fall and early winter, I always recommend a starting point with three major starting points. The first one is your roof and gutter inspection. Then your heating system check. And thirdly, curb appeal maintenance. Right now, the market is more balanced and buyers are more selective. In Ontario Central Region, home prices have dropped about 5.1% year over year.
Wow.
While active listings are 47% above a 10-year average. That means your home's condition and presentation matters more than ever. You don't want deferred maintenance to become a negotiating point. So clear your gutters, service your furnace, and touch up the front lighting and landscaping. These are relatively low-cost fixes that can make a strong impression when buyers or appraisers visit your home.
Great, absolutely. Curb appeal. Now, while homeowners are busy preparing, Ricky, their homes, the real estate market itself continues to move. What are you seeing in the market? What's going on? What can we tell your clients out there? Are there particular trends or shifts in the market that we should be aware of as we go into deeper fall and winter's creeping around the corner? What's your advice?
So that's a great question, Dr. Bridgmohan. On the market side, we're seeing the GTA a noticeable volume uptick despite some price softening. In August 2025, there were about 5,200 home sales, up roughly 2% year over year, while new listed increased by nearly 10% in the same period. The average selling price, though, dipped about 5.5% year over year to about $1,050,000. What this tells us is that buyers are still active and they do have more options and negotiating power. For current homeowners, that means they need to price realistic and strong presentations are essential for this. For potential sellers, understand the balance helps them to have a clear expectation and strategy for selling their homes. This key is to focus on fundamentals. Properties with a solid rental demand, growth potential, and manageable upkeep. My approach is to help clients analyze their cash flow, understand market trends, and ensure each purchase supports their long-term financial goals. Real estate isn't just about owning property, it's about building sustainable wealth.
Absolutely, and this is the guy you want to call, Ricky Nandalal, powered by Home Life. Great negotiation, great skills. Don't forget him. We're all here for you. This is the time to get into a market where it's buyer's market. Thank you for so much for joining us, Ricky, once again.
Thank you so much.
Stay tuned and don't forget to leave a comment or review on YouTube. And we appreciate you and have a great, great, great day.